Which flood insurance is better, NFIP or private? Let's break it down in 5 quick differences that could seriously impact your wallet and your peace of mind. Number 1. Coverage limits. FEMA's NFIP maxes out at $250,000 in building coverage. Private flood, you can get up to $2 million or more, especially important for higher value homes. Number 2. Replacement cost versus cash value. NFIP pays based on what your home is worth on paper. Private flood often covers replacement cost. That's what it actually takes to rebuild. Big difference. Number 3. Waiting period. NFIP has a strict 30-day waiting period. Private flood can start in as little as 0 to 15 days, which is huge if you're buying a home or refinancing. Number 4. Elevation certificate requirements. NFIP usually doesn't require one. Private flood, most of the time you don't need it, which saves you time and a few $100s. Number 5. Premiums. Here's a real-life example. A homeowner in Marietta, Georgia was quoted $1,171 with NFIP. We got her a private policy for $768, same zone, better coverage. So, is private flood insurance better? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on your loan, your home, and your flood zone. That's why we built a quick tool called Is Private Flood Right for Me? It's a free 60-second test that gives you clear, instant answers. No spam, no pressure. Just click the link in the description to take the test now.